Hello Shopify store owners, hope you're doing great. Hope you're selling a lot of stuff on your Shopify store. One more tutorial just for you guys, and in this video you will learn how to add selected variant images on Dawn 15.1.0. So if you are new to this channel, I have created multiple videos to help Shopify merchants to add and enhance additional UI features, just like adding video on autoplay, having a stylish mega menu with animated images, transparent header, and lot of other cool sections for free. All you have to do is just subscribe this channel and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified whenever I create a new video to enhance your Shopify store. For this video, I'll show you how you can add selected variant images. If you don't know what a selected variant image is, let me show you. So as you can see, this is a product page and it's a default behavior of Dawn 15.1.0. So here we have multiple colors showing up, and if I click on blue, you can see just the main product image is updated, but the thumbnail images are still showing the remaining black and purple colors. Similarly, I do that for purple and it's still gonna show the remaining images. But after following and implementing this tutorial, you will have your product page like this, neat and clean, and is only going to show you the colors which you have selected. Like for example, I have selected here the black and it's only showing the black color images. And if I select the blue, you can see that it's only showing the blue color images. The thumbnail images and the main product images both are updated. Similarly for the purple color. Cool, right? So if you want to learn, make sure to watch the complete video where I'll show you guys step by step on how you can implement that. And that's the tutorial which we will be following. You will find the link of this tutorial in the video description so you can implement these instructions step by step. So without further ado, let's get into implementing that. Okay guys, so in order to implement that, we will first start with the step one. So let me open up the backend of my development store by navigating to /admin. I'm going to close these two tabs here. Okay, so that's the backend of my store. So first thing, I'm going to sort the images. So I need to align the black images, the blue images, and the purple images to be all grouped together. That's the first step. So let's go to that product where we have colors, and that's the product. I'm going to click on that. And here I'm going to align the images. So let's drag and drop it, the black one with the black and the blue one with the blues. And here we have the purple images. So you can see we have aligned the black, blue, and the purple one in one row, right? So none of them are mis-sorted. So that's the first step. And make sure to also have the variant options to be as same as the images which you have aligned. So here we have the black first and the blue second and the purple as third. So let's do that as well. Scroll down, and here we need black first, then blue as second, and the purple as third. Cool. Hit on save. And now scroll down, and here we have the variant options. Now we will select the variant image and make sure the variant image is selected as the first image of that group. So that's the variant image of the black color, that's the variant image of the blue color, and that's the variant image for the purple color. Cool. Let's scroll down and select the appropriate images. So for the black, this one. For the blue, we have this one. And for the purple, we have this image here. Perfect. Let's review that. So the black variant image, blue variant image, and the purple variant image. Perfect. Now hit save. Cool. We are done with our first step. I've also added these screenshots to explain you guys a little easier. Cool. Now let's move on to the next step, which is step 2. In this step, we will go to product-info.js file, and below this line of code, we will add the following code. Okay, let's go back to our development store. Click on online store. And here you can see I have the older version, which is 15.0.2. I'm going to install the latest 15.1.0. So click on add here after scrolling down. And guys, while this theme is being installed, if you want to start your Shopify store with just $1 a month, there's a link in the description. So if you sign up using that link, you will get your store in just $1 a month. Also, if you are able to sell $3,000 per month, you will be getting $30 as your subscription credit. So you can use Shopify for completely for free. If you're selling just $3,000 worth of products every single month, then you'll be getting 1% of that, which is $30 every single month refunded as your Shopify subscription credit. So if you want to use this cool platform completely for free, make sure to sign up using the link in the description. Okay, let's head back to the video. Okay guys, so our Dawn 15.1.0 has been stored. Now I'm going to click on publish. Then click on publish again. And now we will go to the code editor by clicking on these 3 small dots and then click on edit code. Guys, before editing the code, make sure to have a duplicate of your theme, because if you're working on a live theme, it's always good to have a backup of your theme, because on further step, we will be editing the code. And if you're not tech savvy, you might create a bug on your theme. And I get a lot of comments on my channel that due to the code implementation which I provided, your theme got broken. Guys, it's a free tutorial, so and it is to help you guys. So it's always good to have a backup of your theme. Okay, let's proceed with the tutorial. Now click on edit code. And as per the step 2, we will search for product-info. And that's our file under assets folder. Now let's search for this code. So I'm going to copy that. Press Command F. If you're on Windows, you can press Control F to open that up. Let's hit Command V and then click on next. And here's the code. Just hit enter to add a line break and then click on this copy code button. Then paste the code. Perfect. Hit save. Now let's move on to the next step, which is our step 3. And for this step 3, we will be adding the following schema code in our main-product.liquid file. So let's go back to code editor, search for main-product.liquid. And here, scroll down to the bottom. And just right after this bracket, hit enter. Click on copy code button here and then paste the code here. Guys, make sure to place the code above this square bracket, right? So you won't be creating any error in main-product.liquid file. Okay, now let's hit on save. Now let's go back to the next step, which is our step 4. So we will search for product-media-gallery.liquid file and replace all of the code in this file to be the same as I have it here. Okay, now let's search for this file. So that's our product-media-gallery.liquid file. And we will completely remove this code and paste this code which we have available. So click on copy code and paste it here. Perfect. After doing that, hit save. Okay, now let's preview our theme by clicking on this preview store. Okay, now let's go to that product where we have colors. So here's our product. And that's the stack layout. You can see all of the colors are showing up because we have not yet enabled the option of selected variant images. Now let's go back to our code editor, click on these three small dots and then click on customize theme. I'm going to open that in a new tab. And here I'm going to click on this drop down and click on products and click on default product. Now let's click on product information. And here, when you scroll down to the bottom, we have this option of enable media grouping. So click on that. And now let's go to that product. So let's change the preview of the product to open that product here. And now you can see I have just black image showing up here. Now let's change the layout to thumbnail. So from stack layout, change that to thumbnails. Click on save. And now let's preview our product page. And here you can see I have this black image showing up when I select the black color. Similarly with the blue color and the purple color. One other thing I would like you to inform that make sure the spelling of this variant option color is same as this one here. So if I change the spelling here, it's not going to work. You can see that, right? So make sure you add the correct spelling of your color variant option and add it here. And if you are using a multilingual store, you can add the same name of that variant option. So for example, this is for British English and this is for French language. And if you are using any other language, you just simply need to add in the appropriate option name in order to make this tutorial work. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, make sure to comment on the video below, share it. Whoever might need that tutorial will be getting help from that tutorial. Until next video, have a great day.